Did you know that you can gain valuable skills to boost your career prospects and earn certifications, all without spending a dime? Yes, that's a fact. If you've been eager to learn a high-demand skill but find yourself unable to afford the fees of premium learning websites, then this video is a must-watch for you. Join us as we reveal the top 8 free websites that offer high-quality online courses with certifications across a wide range of subjects. From technical skills like Python programming, coding and data analysis, to creative skills, personal development and language skills, these platforms have you covered. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional looking to level up or upskill, there's something here for everyone. And the best part is that you can learn everything from the comfort of your home. After learning, you can equally get certified and begin working as a freelancer or remote worker for reputable companies worldwide. So be sure to stick around until the end, because the 8 free websites we'll be revealing are the best out there that many people aren't aware of. The skills and certifications you'll gain from these websites can enhance your resume, impress employers, and open doors to exciting opportunities. In fact, the website holding the #1 spot on our list is a complete game changer. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 8. EDX. EDX is a mission-driven organization that's committed to transforming traditional education by removing barriers like cost, location, and access. It offers massive open online courses, or MOOCs, and interactive online classes covering different subjects like law, history, science, engineering, business, humanities, social sciences, computer science, public health, and artificial intelligence, or AI. Through the platform, learners can access courses from prestigious institutions like MIT, Harvard, and Berkeley. What's particularly fascinating is how edX is reshaping the educational system by making high-quality learning opportunities accessible to people around the globe, regardless of their circumstances. Number 7. Nvidia DLI. In today's AI-driven world, it's undeniable that artificial intelligence, or AI, plays an important role. And if you want to begin a career in AI, the Nvidia Deep Learning Institute, or Nvidia DLI, is the platform you need. Nvidia is a big name in graphics processing unit, or GPU technology, and offers free courses on AI through DLI. Their goal is to boost your tech skills or introduce you to new ones. Their courses cover how AI and deep learning are used in different areas, making them great for anyone curious about this advanced tech. From AI to machine learning, robotics, and deep learning, DLI courses teach valuable skills in data science and computer vision, and you can even earn certifications recognized by the industry after completion. Number 6. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a hidden gem for anyone who wants to conquer the world of web development. It's like having your own coding mentor right at your fingertips. W3 Schools provides interactive tutorials and reference guides that simplify essential web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These courses cater to both beginners and seasoned developers, offering hands-on exercises and practical insights to help learners become proficient in web development. While they don't offer certificates, the knowledge you acquire is highly valuable and can serve as a solid foundation for advancing your skills and pursuing official certifications. Coming in at number 5 is Udacity, which is known for its strong focus on technical skills. This website offers a variety of free online courses with certifications, developed in collaboration with big industry names like Google, IBM, and Amazon. These partnerships ensure that learners get access to the most relevant and up-to-date content. With topics ranging from programming to data science, artificial intelligence, and autonomous systems, Udacity helps people advance their careers in the tech industry with over 200 free courses to explore. At number 4, we have Academic Earth. As the name suggests, Academic Earth is a platform where you can discover free online courses, lectures, and videos from renowned colleges like Yale, MIT, and Stanford. They gather these resources from top universities, making higher education available to all. Number 3. Coursera. There is no denying that Coursera is one of the biggest online learning platforms, providing courses from universities and organizations globally. It offers the chance to acquire new job skills through online courses led by industry giants like Google, IBM, and Meta, while also facilitating career advancement with top degrees from prestigious universities. Even though Coursera offers thousands of free courses, obtaining a certificate of completion typically requires payment for the entire course, which usually starts at $29.99. Alternatively, learners can opt for a Coursera subscription plan for access to a broader range of features and courses. Number 2. Allison. Allison happens to be one of my favorite websites when it comes to learning any course you're passionate about. They offer a wide range of free courses with certifications across IT, business, language, health, and lifestyle. And learners worldwide can access comprehensive materials and certifications without any cost, making it an accessible option for skill enhancement. While some certificates may require paid assessments, Allison remains a budget-friendly choice for upskilling in various areas. I have friends who earned certifications in courses like Human Relations Management, IT, and Software Development, among others, from Allison, and now working with top companies worldwide. This makes it a great website to upskill yourself. And the number 1 spot for the best website to learn free online courses is none other than FutureLearn. FutureLearn is a great educational platform that offers different free online courses from universities and institutions worldwide. With access to over 1,400 courses, learners can earn CV-ready certificates and develop next-level career skills at their own pace, anytime, anywhere. FutureLearn covers different subjects like business, healthcare, arts, and technology, and provides engaging course materials, discussions, and activities. Learners also have the option to upgrade for additional benefits like certifications and assessments. Personally, it's one of my top favorites for free online learning and skill acquisition, and I've gained a lot from this platform. With that being said, whether you're interested in technology, business, freelancing, or personal development, these platforms provide accessible and high-quality education to learners worldwide. You can equally learn at your own pace and choose whether to obtain a certificate upon completion. Now tell us, have you ever learned anything from these 8 websites? Do you know of any other free websites for online learning? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Tech Stuff Simplified for more informative videos. And remember, always make the most of technology positively. See you in the next video.